Well, as some of you may already know, Billboard's reported that physical album sales have dropped dramatically this year, 2020. Some are actually attributing that to the coronavirus. Some are saying it's because of the advent of piracy. Some are saying it's because people are now opting for streaming services. But hey, there are a lot of musicians that are out there making a lot of money without releasing a record. Let's check out how they're doing it. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo wa Gingirikani with me, Mandalekere Gingirikani Kamashaba. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo wa Gingirikani. If you are new to the channel, please do so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you're the first to receive it. You are not left behind. Don't be left behind. Don't be left behind. Okay, you know what? Let's get serious. So AKA has a new show. It's called The Braai Show with AKA. That show is now going for the big screen. It was airing on his online platform. He actually has an app that he launched earlier this year around June, and his fans were subscribing to that. That was a money-making move. Talking about money-making move, now his show is now going to be on a big screen, 7:30 on Thursdays, SABC 1. So make sure that you tune in to check what's happening there. The Braai Show involved him having guests or his friends, chatting, celebrities over a braai, having a piece of meat. I can't wait to see that show, how it's gonna pan out. But hey, that is a money-making move. Talking about money-making move, AKA is not new to this world of making money with his street credibility, man. He's done it before. He teamed up with the Cruise Vodka in 2016. And also recently also teamed up with the Reebok shoe brand company, where he was a brand ambassador there. I'm not sure what happened to that deal, but that was a money-making move. AKA was actually not the first person to be signed by Reebok to be their brand ambassador. Kabelo Mabalani. If you don't know Kabelo Mabalani, he was the former member of TKZ. When this album Buka Love was banging in 2004, 2005, those years, he signed a deal with Reebok and they made him the brand ambassador. He was actually the first South African to be a brand ambassador and have a shoe named after himself. That was the first time in South Africa it happens. So he was the first person to do it. Another person to do this kind of things where they make money without even releasing a record, it's Dr. Dre. Dr. Dre was nowhere near the top earners in the hip hop game until he co-founded Beats by Dre. Beats by Dre is a headphone brand company. So they make headphones and people buy them, they love them, they're actually selling like hot cakes, hot fat cooks, So that's how the guy started to make money, because that company was bought by Apple for 3.2 billion US dollars. You know how much is that? It's over 32 billion rand. Over 32 billion rand. That's a lot of money. And the guy continued to make money without actually releasing a record. How painful that is. How painful that is. Yeah, these guys are smart. I remember when Justin Bieber came into the scene in 2009. That dude was business minded. He just became a technology investor with immediate effect. Becoming a capitalist, he invested a lot of money on Stamped, Spotify, Sojo Studios, and now the guy continues to make a lot of money without even releasing a record, just by advertising or promoting toothpaste and toothbrushes, perfumes. These are money-making moves. Another person that is known for making a lot of money without actually releasing a record is DJ Sbu. In 2010, DJ Sbu's career was at the top and OD made him their brand ambassador. They even went as far as sponsoring him with the then top of the range ODTT at the time. So these were big money-making moves. And then now he is known for his More Fire energy drink that is now being distributed around South Africa in so many supermarkets. So those are money-making moves. Who can talk about money-making moves and not mention Cassper Nyovest? Cassper Nyovest made a lot of money by teaming up with Ciroc Vodka, Play Energy Drink that was this year in 2020. And also his Fill Up campaign, Fill Up the Dome, Fill Up Orlando, Fill Up FNB Stadium, Fill Up Mabida, all those things were money making moves. We just don't know how much money they make, these people. But they continue to make money without releasing a record. Nasty C made a lot of headlines this year for his signature with Def Jam Records in a joint venture with Universal Music Africa. But that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about his deals with Red Bull, Puma, and Mercedes. Those were money-making moves. Talking about making a lot of money, there's one lady in South Africa that is known for being business-minded. That is DJ Zinhle. She is known for always signing deals after deals. And now we know that she's a brand ambassador in South Africa for Privé Revaux is a sunglasses brand company. I know that they were also endorsed by Ellen DeGeneres and also Jimmy Fox. So if you have those kind of big names endorsing your brand, that means this is a big brand. So this is a big thing for DJs in fact. So I just want to talk about these guys that are making a lot of money without releasing a record, by just using their street credibility or their artistic reputation just to make money without releasing a record. Okay guys, that's all I had for you today. If you want to support the channel, please support the channel by buying the t-shirts. You know, we're selling this one for 250 rand, only 250 rand. It's a good quality, you know, it's not those t-shirts that you buy from China Mall or you know, those cheap. Just support the channel, you know. Also this one, we're also selling it as well. If you want it, you just hit us on gingirikani@gmail.com or hit us on WhatsApp on 0616709692, and we'll see how we do it, you know, in terms of delivery. We deliver across South Africa and also in the SADC region. So please don't be left behind. Salute, dinadora, minga tetemeli.